Hey guys, so, just so you know, this video is an unboxing video. My sister ordered me a t-shirt, and she wanted me to video myself open the package and open t-shirts. So I thought you guys would enjoy seeing that. So I will, after this part, you will see that I just unboxing, I just do a card. You go listen to the box, but hey, that same type of style. Basically, me open the mail and get it out. Is basically what it is. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video, and let me know if I should do more of this type of thing if I get more like mail like this. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Okay, there you go. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
That's just the slip. Oh, here. There's a... That's really nice.
Feels nice.
Does it feel nice?
Feels nice.
Yeah. I love it.
You don't do it.